lied to you guys about something. Ew, it's chick season. Oh, gross. But my alarm's been going off since 5. But I just, we get to bed so late. There's just so much to do all the time. And then by the time, like, we shower and I pack my bag for work and everything, it's just late. And so I get to bed so late all the time. Anyway, so I was supposed to get up at like 5. That didn't happen. So I'm about an hour behind in my day. That's okay. We'll make it happen. But it is a beautiful sunny morning. That's positive. I have my delicious coffee here, which is seriously, I look so forward to coffee. Sometimes at night, I just get excited to go to bed so that I can have coffee in the morning. It's so good. Anyways, today we're going to do a little vlog because I do have to work today, so obviously I'm not going to vlog that, but I have some like self-care services that I'll be getting done today, and I thought it might be kind of fun to show you some of that. So right now I am on my way to the gym. I won't be at the gym very long today. It's my usual, it's Wednesday, so it's usually like a cardio and like core day for me. So I'll probably have time for just a little bit of cardio. And we'll play the rest by ear. We'll see on timing. Okay, so now I'm stuck in traffic, but I just ate this. And it is so freaking good. I would not say this is a good option for protein, but it's freaking delicious. So I highly recommend this flavor. It's a new flavor. Lemon Honey Cashew Butter RX Bar. It's a great little breakfast bar or a snack in the car. Yeah, yum. Traffic is the biggest waste of time. Not my favorite thing in the world. That was super fun. Now I'm gonna eat my chicken and green beans before I have to go to work. See? Meal prep at its finest. Probably boring to you, exciting for me. Okay, finally done with work. I think I worked like a 10-hour day. What time is it? It's 7:40. I got here. I don't know, I can't do the math. Oh, this is pretty lighting. Okay, anyways. Now it's time for a quick sweet treat before I head out for a massage. So I get to get myself a massage this evening. I have some really nasty tendonitis in my left elbow, and I'm gonna have her work on my forearms and some stuff. Anyways, I've already met my macros for the day, and I did not film any of that during my work day just because my work day is so busy. But I need a little sweet treat, and here's what I'm gonna have. So I totally lied to you guys about something. I really love these. I think they're absolutely delicious, actually. I did a video, in case you haven't seen it, on some protein bar supplement things, and I said that these were okay. I lied. They're freaking delicious. I think they are, at least. I literally think they taste like a Pop-Tart. And you put them in the microwave for like literally 10 seconds, and the inside gets all gooey, and they're legit. Every flavor I've had is legit so far. So we're gonna do the chocolate cake one right now. I'm just gonna heat it up real quick and bring it with me because I am running low on time. So we're gonna make this quick. This will be my little treat at the end of my day for working so dang hard. Okay. So I don't have a microwave at home, so I keep these at my office. And you literally just take this sucker, and stick it right in there for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I counted too fast. Now we're done. Oh, delish. Yum. Look at that. Yum. I'm always sad when I come out of work, and it's been gorgeous all day today. It's 73 degrees right now, and I was in a quiet, dark room all day. It's okay. Okay, I had to rush in here because I'm running late everywhere, but I'm at my massage place now, so. I love massages. They're my favorite. Oh my gosh, dude, that was so stinking fun. The girl I go see is so good at what she does. I just love her massage so much. And I was super pumped. I'll turn that light back on so you can see. Maybe it's grainy. That's okay. So I was super pumped because she had some water, so I filled up my water jug, my gallon water jug, and she had my favorite tea of all time. I love this tea. This is the hot cinnamon spice tea from Caribou, and she had a whole container of the tea bags. This tea, I'm not joking, it is seriously the most aromatic and delicious tea ever. It's so good. I highly recommend it. If you go to Caribou, which I think is a Midwest thing, I don't think that's nationwide. But order a large cinnamon spice tea. I learned this from my friend Patty. A large cinnamon spice tea, because if you get a large, they will give you 2 of these tea bags, and then that is enough to, like, when that is gone, just add more hot water, and it brews like an entire new cup. It's seriously, it's amazing. It's so good. So good. I'm gonna make that right now and finish out my day with a hot towel on my face because my face feels like all scrunched, you know. It feels a little swollen for sure. My eyes clearly look swollen, which is not unusual. But we're gonna go do that now. Thanks for hanging out with me for this brief little bits that I've showed you of my day. I actually really enjoy filming vlog content. I find it kind of fun and just kind of creative to put together. And so if you like vloggy vlogs, let me know. They're fun for me, and I watch them. Other people's vlogs. Okay, never mind. Okay, thanks. Bye. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Mmm. Mmm.